Setting up your first Skool website can feel overwhelming, but by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started quickly. If you're wondering how to set up a Skool website that's easy to navigate, looks great, and offers a seamless user experience, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. The first step is signing up for Skool, which is straightforward. Go to their homepage, and you'll see an option to create an account. Once you've created your account, you'll be brought to your dashboard, where you can set up your very first community. Skool makes it easy with a simple, user-friendly interface, but you'll want to make sure you customize your settings properly so your website stands out. Next, after you've created your community, the next thing you'll need to do is customize the look and feel. You can pick a template or start from scratch. The default settings are fine for beginners, but tweaking the design with your logo, color scheme, and branding will help you make it truly yours. Keep in mind, while Skool does provide customization options, it's not as flexible as other platforms when it comes to advanced design customization. The third thing you'll want to do is add members to your site. Skool allows you to easily invite people to your community by sending out links or importing emails directly from a CSV file. They make this process super simple, and you'll be able to start building your community from the get-go. Next, you'll want to set up the course or content that you'll be sharing with your members. Skool's platform integrates your community and learning management system, LMS, so it's perfect if you're looking to host courses or provide valuable resources to your members. You can add modules, lessons, and even interactive content like quizzes, which is great for engagement. However, one downside is that it might not be as robust as other platforms like Teachable or Thinkific in terms of course building tools. After setting up your content, the fourth thing to consider is automating your communication. Skool allows you to send messages, announcements, and updates to your members easily. However, it's a bit basic compared to tools like Kajabi, which offer more advanced email marketing capabilities. But if you're just starting, this will get the job done. Now, let's talk about integrations. Skool does have some built-in integrations with popular tools, but if you're relying on complex workflows, you might find yourself wishing for more options. The integrations Skool offers are decent, but they may not meet the needs of everyone, especially if you plan on scaling up quickly. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Skool's pricing model is relatively affordable compared to platforms like Kajabi or Kartra, which makes it an appealing option for anyone looking to start a community or offer courses without breaking the bank. However, Skool doesn't have as many features, which could be a deal breaker if you're looking for a fully featured, all-in-one solution. So now, I want to leave you with this. While Skool is a solid option for some, there are alternatives that might be better suited for your needs, especially if you're aiming to scale your community or courses. I've got a link in the description to a competitor that offers an extended free trial and some great features that could help you reach your goals even faster. By using our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Make sure to check it out and explore the alternatives to Skool that might work better for you.